in the super farm class. So good to see Bill right out. How about you, John Deere fans? Oh yeah. How about you?
Did you get him? Yeah.
For Bob to tighten the chains. Two-wheel drive trucks, please start staging. Two-wheel drive trucks. You guys are up next. Well, it's your right fans, we got another one here, even though it's painted black. Bob Cummings out of Shedden with silver sides. Very true. Horse been pulling since 1971. Wife Dora's down here recording our video for us tonight. Son Chris, daughter, he's got 3 grandsons. Wants to thank his crew, Dave Anturno, and his son Chris there as well. So I talked about the dyno. What that does is basically they get to see what this motor or engine will do as a combination without it going down the track. So how about your red friends? Our points leader or Coucher without a drive. Still trying to get some of the bugs out of it. John Deere 4955, 640 cubic inch. Jason Podolinsky out of it. Getting better and better every time we see it. So we got another green one trying to get 315. Steve Adams out of Dungannon. He wants to see go all the way down the track. Oh yeah. We'll fix it. I apologize to Steve here for missing some of this stuff, but we're going to move my table so that you guys can hear what's going on up there. So where are you, John Deere fans? Your local boy here tonight, Steve Janovic, 2 Deere. Yes, sir.